Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial showing you how to use the Speedy Pinterest option in the Nifty promo control panel to quickly create pins on Pinterest for animated gifs. Right now you're looking at a pin that I made, and this is the one that we'll go through the steps to make in a moment. First of all though, quick point to make. When it appears in your pin feed, as it is here, you will not get a title showing up. That may change in the future, it's all down to Pinterest. I note that pins that are rich pins do end up having a title. Okay, let me just close that tab. Now when we click the animated GIF, it takes us to the Pick From Here domain, and it shows you all the products that were in your original pool and more besides, as the visitor can page through to see plenty more that they can choose from. And in a moment or two, there we go. Okay, so let's go through the steps. So here's the Nifty promo control panel, and to save time I've already filled in all the needed options. Let me quickly walk you through it. So there's the pool that I've set up. I'm requesting 35 because I'm going to use the template with 30 in them, and it's always best to have just a few extra. Having set up my pool, here they all are. Step 2, choosing the type of promoting. Share printer product grid page. And I've set up a title, and that will be used on the product grid page. I've given a tracking code for all the links. I now choose the template that I'm going to work with, and it's an animated GIF. And I'm choosing the 30 products one. I tick the box, use the Speedy Pinterest option, and you can see I've already given a description that will be used with that pin, and I've put in a couple of hashtags. Okay, having filled all that lot in a moment I'll click this button, and we're just going to sit back and watch the product stager automatically make the GIF and present the animated GIF ready for pinning on Pinterest. Okay, so here goes. So it pulls in all the images to the pre-staging area, loads them into the template on the stage, does some background work to prepare the GIF, and it keeps on chuntering through. Obviously the more you have, the longer it'll take. So it's now finished that processing. Now it's rendering the GIF, and there is the completed GIF, complete with Pinterest button, ready for you to work with. So we click that Pinterest button. So I'm going to pin to All About Baby, and in a moment or two. This next part is important. I'm going to right click that and open in a new tab, and you'll notice that the original tab has disappeared. If instead of right clicking and opening in a new tab you just clicked it, it would disappear very quickly. So right-clicking and opening in a new tab is the way to be able to spend a while reviewing it. Okay, that's the end of the tutorial. Have fun making and pinning your own. Bye.